The process of having solar panels installed was amazing. Basically the gentleman came and did a chat about what it entailed. No hard sales pitch, it was just giving me all the information, left me to think about it and discuss it with my husband. The installation happened a day before it should have done. They called me and said that they had a cancellation. Would I mind them coming a day early? They were very efficient. I've never seen anything so efficient. They arrived, they put it all up. It was like they were thinking about what they were doing, and it wasn't just the job that they had to do. They cared about what they did. It was very efficient, done in a day. Everything was taken down. Within a day, the scaffolding was gone. Fantastic. The benefits of having solar panel for us are that I actually have a hot tub, and I was worried about heating that up, but my electricity bill has gone, well, it's nothing. I'm actually selling electricity to the grid, which is going to produce an income for us. I'm saving money and helping the environment, which is always good when you've got children. I think everybody should consider solar power because it's going to save the planet, hopefully, and save you money. I would definitely recommend Project Solar to other people because they're just so efficient. The system hasn't caused us any problems. I love the app that I've got on my phone. I can actually check whether my teenagers are using the tumble dryer when I'm not here, which is another added bonus. So yeah, it's just brilliant.